Lightcycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride in the dark. Users be warned, the Lightcycle Run makes sharp turns with sudden drops and stops. Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of TRON.
Welcome to TRON Lightcycle Run, the ultimate competition on the grid. Prepare for Team Blue Lightcycle Run. Prepare for Team Blue. Prepare for Team Blue Lightcycle Run upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward. Initiate entry. First energy gate captured. Second energy gate. 3. 4. 5 captured. Congratulations, users. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.